This is a News 3 Now special report.
Thank you for watching this special report from Channel 3000. It's been a busy morning of headlines as we cover the spread of the coronavirus here in Wisconsin. As part of our commitment to covering the virus in a fact-based way, we wanted to put today's headlines in one place so you can get all caught up this Sunday morning. New numbers this morning show just how quickly the coronavirus is spreading here in the U.S. As of today, there are at least 2,800 cases now in 49 states, the U.S. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, and Washington, D.C. At least 59 people have died. West Virginia remains the only state without any confirmed cases. A total of nearly 10,000 new cases of COVID-19 were reported outside of China in the past 24 hours. The World Health Organization says Italy, Spain, France, Germany, Switzerland, Britain, and Norway have been hit particularly hard, each reporting more than 1,000 cases. As this virus spreads, many European countries have closed public facilities like restaurants, libraries, gyms, and business centers. But here is some positive news for you. Even as the death toll rises, the WHO says the number of people being discharged from the hospital every day is rising even faster. The Department of Health Services will release Wisconsin's latest numbers today at 2 o'clock. According to the latest totals released Saturday afternoon, there are now 26 active cases of the virus here in our state, 27 overall. Dane, Fond du Lac, and Milwaukee counties each have 6 confirmed cases. The rest of the cases are scattered throughout the state. 246 tests have all come back negative. The order to stop groups of 250 or more people in Dane County has been extended to religious gatherings and places of worship this morning. And in an effort to help prevent the spread of the virus, the Diocese of Madison is telling Catholic parishioners they do not need to attend Mass today. In a letter, the bishop says that while attending church is a serious obligation, those who cannot attend because of illness or other grave reasons are not bound by obligation. The bipartisan bill to make coronavirus testing free for all Americans heads to the Senate tomorrow for approval. Top U.S. health officials caution America hasn't seen the peak of its coronavirus outbreak just yet.
Leader McConnell and our friends on the Republican side should pass the bill as is.
The Trump administration says it will boost the number of test kits available to the public to 1.4 million over the next week. Meanwhile, health officials are warning the worst is yet to come.
We will see more cases and we will see more suffering and death, predominantly, as the vice president said, among the vulnerables in our society.
The Trump administration has also announced it is extending its European travel ban to include the UK and Ireland. Vice President Mike Pence wouldn't rule out the possibility of a travel ban within the U.S. by as soon as today, but the Department of Homeland Security says that plan is not in the works at this moment. Students at the UW-Madison have to be out of their dorms by the end of the day. Some international students are allowed to stay. Classes are being moved online starting March 23rd, the day after spring break. Meanwhile, Charter says it is expanding broadband internet and Wi-Fi access to all households with K-12 or college students who may have to stay home due to coronavirus. For any of those households that don't have Spectrum access, you can get free service for the next 60 days. You can enroll by calling the number on your screen. We also have that number posted on our website, channel3000.com. Great Wolf Lodge is temporarily closing its resort in the Dells starting today with plans to reopen on April 2nd. In a statement, the company said, while we've had no reported cases of COVID-19 and the CDC states there is no evidence that the disease can be spread through the use of pools or hot tubs, after careful consideration, we believe it is in the best interest of our guests and PAC members to close all of our resorts. This crisis has many of us scared, feeling helpless too. Here is one way you can do some good this weekend. The Red Cross says it needs healthy, eligible people to donate blood so we don't experience any shortages. The Red Cross says donations are vital now more than ever as the virus grows. Blood drives around the country are being canceled, especially in states with large outbreaks.
Patients are counting on us across the country, whether it's people in emergency situations, whether it's car accidents, people giving birth. Blood is a vital part of our healthcare system, and we need to make sure that we have it available for the patients.
The Red Cross is taking some extra precautions to keep donors safe. They're now taking the temperature of every single donor, giving them a private health screening too. As far as the blood supply, the organization says right now there is no evidence coronavirus can be spread through blood.
I do my hair talk, check my nails, baby, how you feeling?
And we wanted to leave you this morning with some good advice from the Madison Fire Department. They released this video on Facebook this weekend saying that if you wash your hands to Lizzo, you'll stay feeling good. And we hope all of you stay well this weekend. We here at News 3 are working around the clock to update you with the latest information on the coronavirus and the impact it's having here in our local community. So for the very latest, head to our website, channel3000.com, and check out our coronavirus headlines section. Thank you for watching this special report. Stay well, everyone.